Everybody is looking for the secret to building wealth and achieving their dreams. I'm glad you're here because today I want to show you how smart investments can help you build wealth and achieve your dreams. Now, think about your goals. Maybe you want your own home, your child's bright future, or a retirement where you can finally relax. The secret? Start investing early and watch your money work for you. Let's break it down. Here are 5 types of investments to kickstart your journey. Number 1. Fixed deposits or FDs. These are super safe and give steady returns. If you like playing it safe, FDs are a classic choice. Number 2. Mutual funds. These are great if you want someone to manage your money and spread out risk. With SIPs, you can start small and grow big, even if you're new to investing. Number 3. Stocks. Here's where the action is. Stocks can bring high returns, but they need research and patience. If you're willing to learn and take some risks, stocks can really boost your wealth in the long run. Number 4. Real estate. Owning property is a big deal, not just for living, but as an investment. It's a solid way to build assets for the future. Number 5. PPF, Public Provident Fund. This is a government-backed plan that's safe, helps you save on taxes, and is perfect for long-term goals like retirement. Mixing these investments can help you reach every milestone, one step, one rupee at a time. If you found this helpful, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tips to grow your money. See you next time. Subscribe to your friendly investor channel for more tips.